Salt Lending Crypto Invest Honest Review Watch before using. If you're a crypto investor, you've probably wondered how to access liquidity without selling your coins. Most people get this wrong. They either sell assets or use unregulated services. Salt Lending offers crypto-backed loans, but is it worth using? Salt allows users to collateralize cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum to receive cash loans. The surprising truth is that this can help investors access funds while maintaining exposure to potential crypto gains. You won't believe how fast the approval process can be. Some loans are funded in a matter of days. Here's how it works. You deposit crypto as collateral, select your loan amount and term, and Salt provides the funds in USD or stablecoins. Interest rates depend on your collateral and loan term. For example, a Bitcoin holder could take a loan for 50% of the BTC value, retain ownership of the asset, and repay the loan over time without selling. Salt also emphasizes security and compliance. They follow KYC and AML regulations, and users' crypto is stored in secure wallets. Most people assume crypto loans are unregulated or risky, but Salt works within established frameworks. However, there are risks. Crypto volatility can trigger margin calls if your collateral drops in value. Most people underestimate this risk and assume loans are safe regardless of market swings. Additionally, fees and interest can be higher than traditional loans. In conclusion, Salt Lending is a viable option for crypto holders needing liquidity without selling assets. It's fast, regulated, and can preserve investment potential, but you must manage risks carefully. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of crypto finance services.